Welcome to our channel. If you need to see a doctor quickly without long wait times, follow these step-by-step instructions to get an appointment faster. Step 1. Call your doctor's office first thing in the morning when they open. Many practices reserve same-day appointments for urgent issues that are filled on a first call, first served basis. Step 2. Explain the urgency of your situation to the scheduler. If you have concerning symptoms, clearly communicate why you need to be seen promptly. Step 3. Ask about same-day or next-day appointment slots. Many practices hold these openings for acute issues and will fit you in if your condition warrants immediate attention. Step 4. Consider seeing a nurse practitioner or physician assistant instead of waiting for the doctor. These qualified providers can handle most medical issues and often have more availability. Step 5. Use your insurance company's online portal or app to search for available appointments. Many healthcare systems now offer digital scheduling with real-time availability. Step 6. Visit an urgent care center for non-life-threatening conditions that need prompt attention. These walk-in clinics treat minor illnesses and injuries without appointments. Step 7. Try telemedicine or virtual visits for appropriate conditions. Video consultations often have same-day availability and can address many health concerns remotely. Step 8. Ask to be placed on a cancellation list. If someone cancels their appointment, you can take that slot, often getting seen much sooner than the next available regular appointment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.